Hello viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel BMC Online Classes. Please like, subscribe and share our channel. Go to get updates about our channel, click on the bell icon. Friends, today we will be learning a beautiful and inspirational poem from my English course book of Standard 10th. Myself Hanuri Almas from Shahaji Nagar BMC English Secondary School will be explaining you the poem 2.1 You Start Dying Slowly. The poet of this poem is Pablo Neruda. In this poem, the poet Pablo Neruda appeals to modern sensibilities. The poem reminds us once again the age-old wisdom that life must flow and renew itself at every moment of its being. Now let's look at the poem 2.1 You Start Dying Slowly. If you do not travel, if you do not read, if you do not listen to the sounds of life, if you do not appreciate yourself, you start dying slowly. When you kill your self-esteem, when you do not let others help you, you start dying slowly. Explanation. Friends, in this video we will know more about this inspirational and motivational poem. This poem also conveys a beautiful message. The poet says that life is a journey and we all are tourists. Poet advises us to travel, keep traveling and enjoy traveling and explore ourselves. The poet again says that if you do not read, if you do not explore, then you start dying slowly. If you do not listen to the sounds of life, if you stop listening and hearing to sounds, what are these sounds of life? That is the rustling of the leaves, sound of thunder, lightning, etc. We should appreciate and love ourselves. We should be happy with ourselves and also self-contented. When you do not let others to help you, then you will be left alone and then you will start dying slowly. Further, if you become a slave of your habits, walking every day on the same paths, if you do not change your routine, if you do not wear different colors, or you do not speak to those you don't know, you start dying slowly. The poet here says that you are not ready to change. If you are not ready to change and not ready to have different emotions in life or interact with others, at this stage you will start dying slowly. If you avoid to feel the emotions, the passions, you will start dying slowly. There's nothing in life then. If you do something good, you will feel happy. Nothing excites you like a dead man. There must be something you like. If not, then you start dying slowly. Next night, if you avoid to feel the passion and their turbulent emotions, those which make your eyes glisten and your heart beat fast, you start dying slowly. The poet here says that if you just go on earning and don't want to feel the world or the persons, and you don't want to do what is right, then you will be a dead person. If you do not allow yourself to do, to feel, to know, then you will start dying slowly. The poet says that if you do not change your life when you are not satisfied with your job or with your love, if you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, if you do not go after a dream, if you do not allow yourself at least once in your lifetime to run away from sensible advice. Again, here the poet says that you should not, if you do not allow yourself to do, to feel, to know, then you will start dying slowly. Here the poet has a very beautiful message. The poet says that we should go ahead, explore the world around us, feel the things, see the things, and dream. Make a dream come true. Here, the poet has a very beautiful message. The message is that the poet asks us to change our lifestyles, think positively, do what we like to do, push ourselves out of the comfort zone, otherwise lose hope of happy life. This universal poem is a truth of life. Hope all like this poem, this inspiring poem and its philosophy of life. Thank you once again for watching this video.